Hello, I'm Mariama Ba. Je suis professeur d'anglais venant de l'école normale supérieure. Today I'm going to present you something on the models in English. Okay? Now, what can I do with this? Okay. Okay, I'm going to tell you about the models. Doesn't work. Okay. Let me tell you something about the models. Voilà. Ok. Je crois que ça c'est du nord. I'm going to tell you about the models. Okay. In English, we have can, may, and must, which are the models. Okay. Now I'm going to start with can. Can. Now let me give you an example. If I say, I can lift the table. Here, can expresses an ability, okay? A physical ability, things that I can do physically. Can give you another example. I can speak Wolof. I can drive a car. I can prepare muffin. These are other sorts of ability. Here I'm just talking about physical ability. If I say, for example, I can speak, let's say, Spanish. This is not physical, but this is intellectual. Okay? Now, can does never take S. Okay? Never put S with can. Okay? Now we have the affirmative form of can. If I say, I can open the door, this is the affirmative form. Okay? If I say, for example, I can open the door. This is affirmative. Okay? We have the negative form of can. What is the negative form of can? Negative form of can is, for example, I'm going to say, he cannot. He cannot write his name. He cannot ride a bicycle, for example. I can drive a car, he cannot ride a bicycle. Okay? I can sing in Chinese. She cannot speak Bambara, for example. So here, this is a negative form. The negative form is cannot, or can say also can't. Okay? Now let me come now to going to raise this. Can now has an equivalent. An equivalent. Okay? The equivalent of can is to be able to. The equivalent of can is to be able to. If I want, for example, to put this form in the past, I'm going to use the equivalent form. Yesterday, I was not able to send the letter. Okay? Now here we have the past. I was not able to send the letter. Here, if we take the future, in 2 years, Hadi will be able to read in Arabic. Okay? So here we have the equivalent of can. Here you have the past, here you have the future. Now we have two examples of the equivalence of can. Now, let me come back to the other models.